everyone, welcome back to my channel. I like to start off by adding the hardware to my painting. I keep all my hardware in this cool plastic multi-tiered craft container. For painting this small, I like to use a sawtooth hanger. This painting happens to be 8 by 10 inches. Anything that is 9 by 12 or smaller, I just use the sawtooth hangers. They seem to work out better than using wires. I start out by first measuring and finding the center of my painting. So for this one, it's going to be at 4 inches. Once my hanger is installed, I'm ready to sign the back. I always sign the back with a Sharpie, and I make sure to include the year and the title of the painting as well. Another thing I always add to all of my paintings are these felt circles. They're wonderful because they keep the painting flush on the wall. If you notice, when you add a wire hanger or a sawtooth hanger on your painting, the top portion will stick out from the wall a bit and the bottom will lay against the wall, so it's kind of at an angle when you look at your painting. So these felt pads are great for keeping your painting flush and flat against the wall, which you can see if you look at it from the side. So the next step is to varnish my painting. I use a fairly cheap brush, although one that's decent enough that doesn't lose a lot of hairs, and I use Gamvar Varnish by Gamblin. Gamvar works on oil paintings and acrylic painting. What I really like about this varnish is that you don't have to wait for your oil painting to be completely cured, which could take several months. You just have to wait for it to be dry to the touch. I like to start by pouring a good puddle of varnish in the middle of my painting and working my way out with the paintbrush and making sure to coat the entire painting evenly, including all the sides. 1 or 2 coats of Gamvar will usually be dry enough to package up for your clients within about 3 days. Next, I find a box that's big enough to cover my painting without touching any of it, and cover it up and put it in a room where it won't be disturbed. We actually now have 6 dogs. I can't believe I admitted that. So keeping fur out of a drying painting is definitely a challenge. I always include a certificate of authenticity with all of my paintings. I made a template for this in the Pages app on my iPad. So basically I just go in and change all the information that I had from the previous painting, such as the name, the medium, and the size, and I send it to my printer. I got this certificate paper on Amazon. I can leave a link in the description below if you're interested. I like it because it's shiny and it has this gold leaf all around the border. Don't forget to sign and date your certificate. I always include a thank you card with all of my paintings, regardless of whether they were purchased online or commissioned work. I also always seal my envelope with these stickers that I made using my Cricut maker. They have my Lisa Roberts Art logo on them. I can actually show you how to make these if you have a Cricut maker, and you let me know in the comments below. I use these cellophane bags that I purchased on Amazon to package up all the paperwork together and include them with the painting. I found these packing paper sheets at Office Depot. They're pretty good quality. I also use washi tape just to give my packaging a little bit of a fun flair. Since the cat painting from earlier is nowhere near dry, I'm going to show you how I package up my paintings using this polar bear painting I did. I just try to make the package look as neat as possible using my washi tape. Try to do a good job. And then at the end, I add my sticker with my logo, put everything together, and then I'll wrap the whole thing in bubble wrap. I got this bubble wrap from a package I received from Amazon. I pretty much save all of my packaging from Amazon, from all the packages that my family gets throughout the week, and recycle them. I then take this whole thing and slip it into a box. I would say it's pretty well protected. Sometimes I do use these pillows instead if I don't have the bubble wrap. They work really well too. So that's pretty much it on how I prep a painting to send off. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy creating, everyone.